All right. We're in camcorder mode. Just playing around with this. My phone will do a camcorder mode. And see if we can get Scooch. He's being very naughty. What are you doing over there? Get back here. She thinks she's a cattle rustler. Come on, you cattle rustler. Where'd she go? Well, there she is, clear down there. Searching for snacks. Come on. She likes to roll in the shit. You gotta watch her. And then you gotta wash her. Thoroughly. So we're taking on the tour today. Lucy! Hey, girlfriend! This is our favorite spot. Seeing Lucy. She is so friendly. She's been waiting for us. She loves Scooch. Oh, they live. Hi, Lucy. What are you doing, silly girl? Hello there. She wants some kisses today, huh? Oh my goodness. What a silly girl. There we go. She wants a kiss from Scooch too. Huh?
You like that little dog? She's really funny. Oh, somebody braided your hair.
I reclaim my authority.
Sweet girl. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah. Right there. Right here.
It looks like a carrot, doesn't it? You're on camera. You're such a silly girl.
Right here. Oh yeah. Right there. Right there.
She wants a kiss. Yep.
No, you so lovable.
No biting, please.
They use their lips as hands, honey. No, you got lips too.
It's just your hands, huh?
See, my lips are God's lips.
My lips are God's lips. Just give me a smooch.
Yeah.
I'll give you a smooch on the nose. I don't know about the lips.
There. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, you like that, yep. She says, yep, I like that.
Right.
I like those scratches. Yes, she does.
You're the sweet pony.
No. Hey, not that.
It's like, don't tell me what to do.
You see that?
Oh, piece of glass.
Yeah. Let's get that out of there.
Oh.
Here. Camcord it. What the fuck is that doing in there?
Here, let's just take it with us and throw it away.
All right, we're going to throw that away. Aren't we, Luce? Yeah, we can't be eating that. That's no good for you. We saved your mouth today. Huh? We're so happy to see. I know you like ear scratches, huh? Oh, yeah. She likes this stuff. Yep. Mm-hmm. She'll say yes. Mm-hmm. All right, let's go visit the other ones. Baxter's just getting a second wind. Boots! What you doing, Boots? You waiting for your yum-yums? Well, come here. Come here, Boots. No? You want your yum-yums, huh? Is that what's going on? You waiting for your yum-yums? Not gonna come say hi, huh? What's that silly Mustang doing down here? Whoopi is down here. She's been laying down. Whoopi! Hey, Whoopi! What's going on, Whoops? Oh, good morning. It's good to see you. Yeah, you're looking very beautiful today. She's very beautiful. Yeah, she is. How are you today, huh? I know you're very sensitive, huh? Very sensitive. I could bite, yes. Well, you're certainly beautiful. I'd like to take you for a ride. I bet you're lightning fast. Yeah, I bet you are. Very strong indeed. Yes, she is. Are you waiting for your yum-yums, huh? She likes to bite a little bit today.
Hey, Mama. Oh, you been rolling?
She's been laying down.
You've been laying down. Oh, you guys. My sweet girl. So pretty. You got curls today.
You like the camera too? You like to smile?
For their yum-yum.
You smile for the camera.
You've been rolling.
I want my yum-yums. I'm so hungry.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming, sweet.
They're here every day for you.
She's such a sweet girl. Yeah.
You got a pretty nice place to live, really.
Yeah.
It's pretty peaceful. What is Scooch doing over there? What are you doing? Quit eating that shit. Is she crazy? She loco, Chihuahua. Loco, Chihuahua. Come here, loco, Chihuahua. Quit eating the poo.
What is that doggy doing?
Then she's got a snack carried with her. And she brought one into the trees to chow down. You're getting a bath and a toothbrushing. Yeah, Scooch, that's gross.
Pink? Do you like pink color? Do you like color? It's pretty, huh? Yeah. You like pink? I like pink too. What's my favorite?
It's amazing how we dream all this shit. All this magnificent miracles happening right before your eyes. Everywhere. Come on, honey. We got a little ways to go, not too far. Just up and around, up over the mountain, around. She has to bless everything. All right. Thanks for tuning in, boys and girls.